Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Charmi and this is my first YouTube video ever. So for my first video I wanted to talk about something I've struggled with growing up. I have had curly hair my entire life, but for the longest time I did not know how to take care of it. So most days it used to look like this. But eventually, I started learning, watching YouTube tutorials just like this one. And slowly, I went from hating my curly hair to actually love and embrace them. So much so that it became my whole personality. So today, I'm going to be sharing my low effort curly hair routine that gives you great results without breaking your bank or your back. And I'll walk you through everything from pre-wash routine to post-wash phase. So make sure you stick till the end. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So let's get into it. So my curly hair routine basically varies with how much time do I have. If I'm in a rush, I'll just do a quick wash and style. But on days where I have time to actually indulge in a routine, this is a very important step for me. I basically oil and detangle my hair before I go into the shower. So this helps on a lot of levels. Number one, I save time on detangling my hair in the shower. Second, the shampoo glides so much more better when your hair is already detangled. So you get that squeaky clean effect. So after I'm done brushing my hair, they kind of look poofy like this, but that is completely fine. This is how your natural hair should look like. So the next step is shampooing your curls. Now let's go and wash my hair. I start with the shampoo, and since I had oiled my hair, I go with a cleansing shampoo like this one from Fix My Curls, just to really remove all the buildup. I'll also put some other shampoo recommendations on screen for low porosity, fine curly hair. I focus on my scalp, not just the lens, and I'm not aggressive with it. I gently massage it using just my fingertips. Then I rinse it off and wring out any excess water before going in with my conditioner. I apply it mainly on my lens and ends, and since my hair is already detangled, I skip that step here and save some time. I let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing, as it really helps my curls stay soft and moisturized. So once you're out of the shower and your hair is low porosity like mine, it's gonna dry immediately. As you can see, my hair is almost 70% dry now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna re-wet our hair and then use our styling products. You need to make sure your hair is like dripping wet. This sound is an added bonus. Now that my hair is clean and wet, it's time to style. I quickly detangle it to remove any extra knots. So this routine uses two products. I also have a routine where I just use one product and get amazing results. So comment below if you want to see that routine. But for this we are going to use a curl cream and a curl gel. Step 1 is your curl cream. First, I take my curl cream, I rake it through my hair with my fingers to evenly distribute. Then I use the praying hands method, basically smoothing the product over my hair to help define my curls. I scrunch my curls upwards to encourage bounce. I repeat the same step on the other side. Next step is your curl gel. I emulsify it in my hands, just warming it up a bit. I scrunch again to lock everything in. This is how my curls look like after I've finished styling them. So the hardest part is now done and all you have to do is just dry your hair. So for this, let's do 50-50 diffuser and air drying. So you're gonna take your diffuser, you're gonna adjust the setting to the highest level possible. That is high heat and high fan. And then you're gonna start diffusing your curls. I like to start with my roots first because that's what really gives me hair volume. I just make gentle circular motions around my scalp. I take small sections of my hair and diffuse each section for about a minute. I don't rush this step, but I also don't overcomplicate it. So now I'm gonna sit in the sun and air dry the rest of my hair. So once your hair is about 70 to 80% dry, it's gonna start looking crunchy like this. But don't worry, this is purely because of the gel, and we have a very easy fix. And that is using a very lightweight hair serum. I'm just gonna take like a couple of drops, like 2 to 3 drops. We're just gonna scrunch it. If you don't wanna scrunch because you feel it's gonna make your hair more frizzy, then you can simply clap. Now I'm gonna bend over and slightly shake my roots. This is how my hair finally looks like. This is my most honest curly hair routine, the exact one I follow step by step to get results like this. It keeps my curls lasting for a good 2 to 3 days if I take proper care, which I'll get into in the next video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with your curly haired bestie and like, comment and subscribe for more. Okay, bye.